Drivers who want ultra high performance summer tires aren't buying tires like the average customer. They're investing in grip, handling, and responsiveness, and do their research to make sure they get it. If you're not paying close attention to where the segment is headed, you could miss a chance to build a loyal relationship with one of the most engaged customer segments in the industry. Let's chat about some UHP summer tire attributes that are driving sales for customers. Depending on the customer, the UHP segment can be pretty complex. Between subcategories for competition, testing tires on the track, or even a shift in vehicle popularity, the customer base is diverse. Take, for example, the rise in popularity of CUVs and SUVs. That segment has created a lot of demand for new UHP summer sizes and performance characteristics. They also need compounds and constructions that can manage added weight, torque, and road noise while still delivering the performance attributes the driver has come to expect. Grip is one of the most important features for these drivers, whether they're accelerating, braking, or cornering. But grip alone isn't enough. Handling comes right behind it, giving drivers the feedback and control they want when they push their cars to the limit. That means manufacturers have to develop these tires with the right blend of tread patterns, compounds, and internal construction. For your customers, like those replacing OE summer tires, it's about balancing ride comfort, wet traction, and noise. Explain how UHP summer tires can do just that for them. The bottom line is, no matter the use case, UHP summer buyers generally know what they're looking for. Dealers like you who understand these trends are the ones who will earn customers' trust. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.